You come home, it's like doggy heaven out there, only real.
Doggy heaven isn't real?
No, it's real. The dogs all have harps and wings.
How do they play harps if they don't have fingers?
Dogs have fingers in heaven.
How do you know so much about dog heaven?
I died for 5 minutes and was sent there by mistake. Now leave me alone. Ooh, come on, girl. Ow, ow, ow. Just get him by the collar. You can do it. Come on, don't bite me. Come on, Paul, come on.
Dad, we don't have time for this.
Quiet, I'm doing something important. There you go. Yes, that's it. Well. Look what the cat dragged in.
Worth it.
Totally worth it.
I know.
Kirk, Taquito is digging up my dahlias. Stop him.
Sorry. Please don't hurt me. Hey, I'm exposing my belly. See? Exposing!
See you later, Mo. Huh? My car's not starting. Oh, I see the problem. Out of gas. Well, probably safer to walk anyway. Yep, nothing safer than walking. This is so healthy. Thanks to this walk, I'll live a lot longer. Hey, here come some of my four-footed friends. I guess you want to meet the guy who's responsible for making all your lives better. Okay, wait a minute. Let me guess. Collie, Dachshund, Tibetan Mastiff, Otterhound, Swedish Valhund, Finnish Spitz, Norwegian Lundhund, Catahoula Leopard Dog, Legato Romagnola, and 3 wolves. They're back! Back! Ow! Oh! You don't scare me. Your bark is worse than your bite. Oh, those horrible barks.
Dr. Budgie warned them. Dr. Budgie warned all of them. But did they listen to Dr. Budgie?
All right, that's it. I'm coming in there. Oh, for crying out. Maybe if I turn sideways. Lou, get the bar butter. This is what happens when you buy European prison cells.
Kids, lower the purge armor.
We don't have any purge armor.
Oh, right. I always mean to buy it the day after the purge when it's cheaper.
What happened?
The dogs have gone savage. They've taken over the town.
Oh?
No, boy. Resist the call of the wild, like I did when they assigned that book for summer reading. Somebody help! Stop him!
Go!
Oh, we've lost him to the pack.
No, he's a good dog. He'd never turn against us.